In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a checklist in Trello step by step. If you're managing projects, client work, content calendars, or team workflows, this is a huge time saver because you don't have to recreate the same checklist over and over again. Instead, you can quickly copy it from another card in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your workspace home. From here, go to your boards page where all your boards are listed. This is where you can access the specific project board that contains the checklist you want to copy. Next, click on the board that you want to work in. This will open up all your lists and cards inside that board. Make sure you're inside the correct board where you either want to copy a checklist to a new card or add a copy checklist to an existing card. Now, find and click on the card where you want to add the copy checklist. This could be a brand new card or an existing one. When you click on the card, a detailed view will open showing the description, activity, due dates, attachments, and other options on the right-hand side. On the right side of the card window, look for the Checklist option and click on it. This will open the Checklist Creation panel. Here, Trello gives you the option to create a brand new checklist or copy one from another card. At the top, you'll see a field where you can type the checklist title. Enter a clear and descriptive name for your checklist. For example, if this is a content publishing workflow, you might name it something like Publishing Steps or Pre-Launch Tasks. Naming it properly helps keep your cards organized and easy to understand. Now here's the important part. Under the title field, you'll see the option to copy items from another checklist. Click on the drop-down menu and select the card that contains the checklist you want to copy. Trello will display available cards that have checklists in them. Choose the correct card from the list. Once you select the card, Trello will automatically load the checklist items from that card so you can preview what will be copied. Double-check that you've selected the correct checklist, especially if the source card contains multiple checklists. After confirming everything looks right, click on the Add button. As soon as you click Add, Trello will instantly copy all the checklist items into your current card under the new checklist title you created. Just like that, your checklist has been duplicated without any manual retyping. You can now edit individual checklist items, add new ones, remove tasks, or reorder them as needed. This feature is incredibly useful if you have standardized processes that you repeat across multiple tasks or projects. And that's how you copy a checklist in Trello. As you can see, it's a very simple process once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of time when managing repetitive workflows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, productivity hacks, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.